In this session, you are going to learn how to make simple sentences in Kannada using verbs. Now, we are going to talk about first person, second person, and a third person. So, first person means I, second person means you, third person means they or he. While making sentence, we will use present and past and future tenses. Now I am going to teach you. I will take first person for the example. I am writing. ನಾನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So here write means verb. ing is there, no? Writing. It will representing present tense. Present tense means ವರ್ತಮಾನ ಕಾಲ in Kannada. Now I am writing. ನಾನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. So we can use I am eating. ನಾನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I am sleeping. ಮಲಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Also we can tell I am drinking. ನಾನು ಕುಡಿಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. It is all tell present tense. Present tense means ವರ್ತಮಾನ ಕಾಲ. Now I am going to explain using first person past tense. For the example, I will give you I wrote. ಬರೆಯುವುದು write means it is verb. I wrote means past tense. And also in Kannada, ಬರಿದೆ ಇದೆ. So here ಬರಿದೆ and also ಮಾಡಿದೆ and also ನೋಡಿದೆ and also ಕುಡಿದೆ. Also we can tell in past tense. Also we can tell I jumped yesterday. I means ನಾನು. Jump means that is also verb. Jump means ಜಿಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಜಿಗಿದೆ. Also we can tell. Now using future tenses, we can make simple sentences in Kannada. I will give you some examples. I will write. I means ನಾನು. Will write. ಬರೆಯುತ್ತೇನೆ. I will eat. I means ನಾನು. Will eat. ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೇನೆ. I will swim. ಈಜುತ್ತೇನೆ. I will run. ಓಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. I will watch. ನೋಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. So also all these representing future tense here. In present tense, I am writing. ನಾನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. In past tense, I wrote. ನಾನು ಬರೆದೆ. ನಾನು ಬರಿದೆ. I will write in future. ನಾನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Also using watch. Watch means ನೋಡು. I am watching movie. In present tense, ನಾನು ಮೂವಿಯನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. I watched this movie yesterday. ನಾನು ಈ ಮೂವಿಯನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿದೆ. I will watch this movie tomorrow. ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಈ ಮೂವಿಯನ್ನ ನೋಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. Also we can tell. Thank you.